Yeah, I'm on my 21st day of my social distancing and self-isolation. Wow, I can't believe it. You know, when I first set out, I'm thinking, oh, how am I going to complete these 12 weeks of social seclusion? I've done 3 weeks. Only, I'm a quarter of the way there. Only 9 weeks left. We'll do it. We can do this together. Now, today, the sun was shining. It was lovely outside. Well, I couldn't go outside because, you guessed it, I'm self-isolating. So what better way to spend the time but to cook? So today I've got a bit of a treat for you. I've cooked Charga chicken. It's a Lahori dish that was loved by the Mughals. And it's a chicken dish that's first steamed and then it's fried until golden brown. Just wait, just see what I've cooked, and let me know how you like it in the comments below. And if you like the recipe, let me know of what you want me to cook. And during this lockdown, if I can get the ingredients, I will do that for you. And together, we can enjoy our isolation and our lockdown. And if you like the recipe even more, then please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and to stay up to date with any new videos that I will be posting. So enjoy the recipe, and I hope that you make it yourself, and let me know how you get on in the comments. To make the marinade for our chicken charga, I've got 1 cup of plain yogurt, to which I'm going to mix 2 eggs, just to get it going a little bit, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of red chilli powder. To this I'm adding 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then salt to taste. Give that a good mix. I think this is nicely mixed now. Wow, smells nice. So what we're going to do now is put this, or pour this onto the chicken. Sonny Jimmy, what do you think? Have a taste. Before we put the marinade onto the chicken, we're going to make some nice cuts into there so the marinade gets really into all the crooks and crannies, and I mean, you come to eat it, we can feel or not feel, well, you will feel it on your tongue because I put a lot of chili powder in. We can taste the flavour. Similarly, I'm onto the legs, I do the same. Just be careful, guys. My knife is quite sharp, so when you cut in this, just be careful you don't accidentally cut yourselves. So when this is done, the recipe that I'm going to put into the comments is going to be for 1 chicken, but I am making 3 charga chicken, so all of my family can have it. And I will put the recipe for 1 charga chicken in the comments. So I'm going to prepare the other 2 now. I've done this with a spoon, apparently on, but it doesn't work. The best thing is pour it all over and then use your hands to get it into all the nooks and crannies. And nothing quite like getting your hands dirty, is there? Oh, yeah. Get it all in. Oops. Oh, you're making a bit of a mess here. Anyway, and then get your sleeve rolled up and get them all in there, and all the cuts that you've made, get it all in there. And then, oh, it smells gorgeous. And I can't wait to show you how I'm going to make these tomorrow, because I'm going to do these now and put them, cover it and put it in the fridge for overnight. So I like to get all this marinade into the chicken. Oh man, can't wait now. I really can't wait to show you the finished article. My mouth is watering, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Oh wow, amazing. So what I'm doing now is gonna cover all this up and put it in the fridge for overnight. It's in the fridge, getting marinated, and hopefully by the mornings it'll be all, the marinade will be in the chicken, and tomorrow I'll take it out and we'll see, and I'll show you how to make chargachicken. Taking it out of the fridge, been marinating overnight, and all the marinade's inside the chicken, and it's proper. Oh my word! Give it one big last stir. Oh wow! I can just feel the succulent chicken. Can't wait to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm using this pot to steam the chicken. What I'm going to do is, rather than having a rack at the bottom, put some water in and then the chicken on top of the rack to steam it, I might as well kill two birds with one stone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some potatoes underneath and then I'll cover that with water. Let's put these in. Potatoes, make sure they're all evenly spaced. I shall also be making a chutney, so I'll put some pepper, put a pepper in there, and I'm going to put an onion in there. So when it's all steamed up and cooked, take this out, I'm going to make a nice chutney out of it. And then I shall be layering the I'm going to put some water in first. I've just put enough water in there, so it just covers the, I don't want to go above the potato line, just enough so that the it boils and steams whilst the chicken's in. So I'm going to wait until this water is boiling, and then I shall put the chicken on top. And don't forget, the chicken is going to be releasing its own juices as well. And then juices are going to fall on top of these potatoes, and it's going to just taste awesome. I'm going to check if it's boiling. Ooh, that's nice. It's bubbling away. So I'm going to put some of this seasoning in. And I think we should be ready to put the chicken in. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right. I'm going to put it down, breast first, down like that. Put that over here. And put this over there. And then what I'm going to do is, let's get this right. Get these right. There. And then just gonna pour this remaining marinade over the chicken like that. Just there we go. And then what's left over, I'm going to put some water in there, swiggle it about, and then put that in there as well. Alright, put the water on the side. I don't want to put it on top of the on the chicken because the marinade will get washed away, so I'm going to put it on the side. And then we're going to cover it up and steam it for about half an hour. Right, I'm going to cover this up, but I'm going to use a tea cloth so no steam escapes, and then put this on top like so. Don't forget to fold these up, we don't want these burning with the flame. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like that for the next 35 to 40 minutes and come and check, and hopefully it'll be all done, and then we'll take it out of there and then we'll do the final preparation for the charga. Until then, see you later, chicken. Right, let's check if all is well. Let's put this off. Oh, it's hot. So let's take it off like this. Oh, that's nice and steamy. Whoa. Oh, leave the fan off. Thank you very much. Oh my. Oh. Oh wow. That is amazingly done. Okay, let's take these out. Oh, I like this contraption. And that's the wifey where she got this from. It's nice. It's made for this. Right, don't want to break the chicken. So what we're going to do, put this over here. Nice chicken. Get this one out first, I think. Oh, this is really well cooked. Just be careful not to break the chicken. I don't want to break it. It'll spoil everything then. Oh, don't you dare. Come on. There's always one in there. There's always one. He doesn't want to do it. Come on. There you go. There. I'm going to leave these here. Leave them there for about 20 minutes to cool down, because the marinade is still on there. So if I fry them now, the marinade will come off. So if it's cooled down, then the marinade will be stick to the chicken, and then when I put it into the wok to fry, the marinade will hopefully stick to the chicken. Whilst we're waiting for the chicken to cool down, I'm going to make some chutney. So I've got some onions there. I've got some coriander chopped, and I've got some bird's eye chilies, which are medium to hot, I think. Yeah, in hotness in your mouth. So I've only used 4 chilies. I'm going to put these into the jug and then use my zapper and make the chutney. Okay, in they go. My favourite jug to make my chutney. And now what we'll do is we'll put the pepper that we've been marinated or cooked, steamed even. Put that in. The onion is disappeared somewhere. Let's find it. Where's it gone? And here we've got the onion that we've used, the garlic. I put another clove in, which disappeared. Can't find it. So anyway, this is going to go, and we're going to blend this together, and we'll take it from there. I've got my zit. I'm going to just... With this, I'm going to make 2 types of chutney. So in half of it, I'm going to put in some yogurt. On the other, I'm going to put in some of that the gravy that is remaining in the pan. Yogurt in this one. That should be enough there. I'm going to put some salt in and give it a whisk. A nice mix. Oh, that's coming out nicely. That looks nice and tasty. On the other one, I'm putting some of that gravy in. Another cup for good measure. And give it a mix. So it's going to be a bit thinner than the other one, but the kids love it. Honestly, my kids just adore this. They'll probably end up eating all this and the other one will be left over for me. Well, I don't mind. And there you have it. Your chutneys are ready. The wok is on and the oil is getting heated. When it gets nice and hot, I'm going to put the chicken in and fry it. Right, let's put these in. One in. Whoa! Just gonna let it fry. Let it get a bit golden brown, and then we'll turn it over and do the other side as well. Turned it over. Oh, it looks nice that. Ready to take it out. Yeah, it's nice and ready now. It's coming out ready to take out, put it on this plate. Wow, looks awesome. Go on. Ooh, can't wait to eat that. Look at it, amazing. Ready to eat, guys. These potatoes are yummy. Will go well with these chicken, Charga chicken, with these sauces. And the good wife has made me some rice. Can't wait. Can't wait to have a taste. I hope you enjoyed this video on Charga chicken. I really hope that you make it and you try it. And I hope it tastes as good as mine did today. Leave some comments in the section below as to how you made yours and what it tasted like. And please don't forget to share and like and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to press the or click on the bell icon to remain up to date with all our videos. Until tomorrow, people, stay strong, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.